Welcome back, everybody. So, Tony, do you have any vacation plan for this summer?
I do. Every year, you've already gone recently to Branson, but every year my family and I, we take a trip to Branson. We've been going since I was a little girl, and it's a every year family vacation that we take. So that's one place we'll be going.
Well, for everybody who has already planned their vacation, is making your plans right now, we have something really easy for you. Now, make vacation easy on you and the kids with pre-styled looks by KIDPIK. Now, the KIDPIK vacation boxes include complete outfits that have kids covered for all their spring break and summer activities from day and night.
They absolutely do. Now, parents can pack the box and just go. Each box is filled with warm weather staples, including swimwear, a daytime outfit, and an outfit for dinner, depending on where you go,
Right.
you know? And is available with no subscription required. I love that part.
I love that too, because you can get a box here, a box there. You don't have to do it every month if you don't want to, but that's how these subscription, memberships work. And so this gives you more freedom, and it's a lot of fun.
You don't have to remember to cancel. Put a timer in your calendar every month. Cancel on the 5th, no.
Exactly. No, this is the winner. So let's start off with KIDPIK's Vibrant and Bright box. Now, she can start the morning off by the pool in this cute color block swimsuit paired. Well, we don't have Cameron in the swimsuit, but Cameron's modeling the top and the Daisy Duke denim shorts. They are super cute, and they have some. You can actually take the look from day to night and pair it with some sandals.
Oh, this is so
That is
cute.
a swimsuit, which is so adorable.
Oh my goodness!
So you get a bunch of different looks just in like one box. I love it's just very bright and very colorful.
Wave Life box. He can enjoy, this is for the boy, there's TJ right there. Now he can enjoy time by the lake or ocean in these striped swim trunks and wavy graphic tee. Going into the night, try the classic chino shorts and a fun palm leaf tree, which TJ was like, this is so comfortable, it's so soft. It really, really is. But he can be in this, he can be in the washed banana with the print button up. There you go right there.
This is cute. I love this, and I do love the shorts.
Oh, yes.
The swim trunks. Very cute. Again,
cute.
Multiple items in one box. Oh, and we forgot this shirt that comes with it. Check this out.
And it also comes with the bracelet.
And the bracelet. Very cute. Okay.
And all this is in like one box.
I know.
So essentially, you can have like 2 outfits in one box.
Yeah, look at Cameron in this outfit. Now, this is the cozy and cool box. She'll just look so adorable in striped, tankini. Now, it's soft, cozy color block jog shorts also come with it, and the Say Yes graphic tee. Again, this is a perfect transition from like day to night. There's also a very comfy tee length knit high-low dress and the slides, which make it a complete look.
Oh, look at this.
Look at the swimsuit.
I don't know. Maybe a girl is in my future. No.
So
I can dress her.
Take a look at the cardigan, the purple cardigan.
Oh, this is so cute. And the shorts, it's coming off.
And the shorts just make it even more perfect.
This is like perfect for traveling. You know how you have like a comfortable travel outfit?
Yeah.
This is perfect for that.
Okay, I'm loving it all. Let's move to the last boy's look.
All right, so in the KIDPIK Beach Ready box, he can wind down on his beach vacation with these colorful looks. He'll have fun in the sun in these palm swim trunks and beach vibes tee. When his day is over, he can throw on these chambray, did I say that correctly? Chambray shorts and wear it with this fun tropical button or a coral polo shirt. All looks are paired perfectly with these easy camo slides and neon braided bracelet. I really, really, really love these subscription boxes. So just like you said, all you do is get one every month, or if you choose every month, of course, but you just pack and go.
I love it. Oh, adorable. So yeah, you can shop these at shop.kidpik.com. Have the kids looking good and vacation ready.
Absolutely. I don't know. I need to find one of these for adults.
Right?
So we can just wake up and go.
And match everybody,
Exactly. Grab a box and come to work.
Well, happy vacation, everybody. Look good, feel good, and be good.
Yeah.